Students, and welcome in class of fundamentals of horticulture. Today I would like to discuss practice of asexual propagation, in which we discuss practice of cutting propagation. In cutting propagation, a portion of stem, root or leaf is cut from the parent or stalk plant and induced to form roots and shoots by chemical, mechanical and or environmental manipulations. Cuttings are classified according to the part of the plant from which they are obtained. Especially in case of stem cutting preparation, there are four type of cuttings on the basis of maturity of the woods, that is hardwood cuttings, semi hardwood cuttings, softwood cuttings, and last one is herbaceous cuttings. In case of hardwood cuttings, these cuttings are made 15 to 20 centimeter long. The basal cut is usually just below a node and to the top cut 1 to 2.5 centimeter above a node. The diameter of the cuttings may vary from 0.6 to 2.5 centimeter depending upon the species. The top cut is made in a slanting fashion while basal cut is made on a flat fashion. The cuttings so prepared are planted in nursery bed at a distance of 10 into 45 centimeter. During planting, 2/3 portion of the cutting should be buried in the soil and 1/3 portion is kept above the soil. This helps in saving the cuttings from desiccation as well as from mortality. Top cut is kept above the ground and basal cut is put underground. So you can very easily identify which one is top and which one is bottom. While you are preparing cutting from the mother plants, you generally gives the cutting a shape of slant and blunt. Slant fashion of the cuttings indicates that it belongs to the distal end, whereas blunt cut is belong to the proximal end. Proximal end should always be buried in the ground, whereas distal end should always be kept above the ground, especially in case of stem cuttings. Just after planting, irrigation is provided. If the plant species from which the cuttings have been made is hard to root type, they are treated at basal portion with IBA or Na based formulations generally available in the market in the name of Sutadex and Rutadex. The concentration varies from species to species. Second type of cutting is semi hardwood cuttings. In this cutting, we put maturity in two types, that is half of the is hard and half of the is softwood. This category is known as semi hardwood cuttings. These cuttings are made from partially matured stems. The cuttings are made 7.5 to 15 centimeter long with leaves at the upper end. If the leaves are very large, they are reduced in size or in number. The basal cut is usually just below a node. These cuttings are planted in semi-shade location or under intermittent mist or polyhouses with controlled conditions. IBA is applied at 1000 ppm concentration to initiate more profuse roots in the cuttings. Softwood cuttings, this is third category, in which only soft mature woods is utilized for preparation of cuttings. These cuttings are prepared from the soft succulent new spring growth. Softwood cuttings are made 7.5 to 15 centimeter long with 2 or more nodes. The basal cut is usually made just below a node. The leaves on the lower portion of the cuttings are removed, with those on the upper part retained. These cuttings are planted immediately to prevent drying or desiccation under intermittent mist or under polyhouses having controlled conditions or under semi-shaded areas. Irrigation is provided after planting. These cuttings start rooting after 15 to 20 days of planting. For better rooting, cuttings are treated with 500 to 700 ppm of root promoting substances like IBA or NA based. The fourth category is herbaceous cuttings. Herbaceous cuttings are made from such succulent herbaceous plants as geranium, chrysanthemum, coleus, carnation and many foliage plants. They are made for better rooting and require high humidity. These cuttings require similar conditions as required by softwood cuttings. They may be treated with IBA 500 ppm to get uniformity in rooting and heavier root systems. Now, after preparation of such type of cuttings, you should record data in a table like observations to be recorded. There is serial number, type of cuttings made by you, that is hardwood cuttings, semi hardwood and softwood or herbaceous. How many cuttings you are planted or made, write down the number in the table. Number of cuttings rooted after 10 to 15 days or sometimes 20 days, you record the data, how many roots rooted, how many cuttings rooted, and finally record the percentage of rooted cuttings and also measure the length of roots. Finally, write down the results and make a fruitful conclusions. These are different types of cuttings like hardwood cuttings, semi hardwood cuttings, softwood cuttings, herbaceous cutting. These cuttings generally prepared from a single shoot of a mother plant on the basis of their maturity. Thank you.